Hey YouTube, it's Mitch at iPhoneCaptain.com, and today we got a good video for you. We're going to be sharing a new way to get some paid apps free. These come with a no revoke. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do, guys, is download the i4 Tools setup, and this works on Windows computers. And you may notice here I'm on a Mac, but I'm running Parallels, which allows me to run Windows inside of this. Now I have all of my icons turned off. I'm going to go ahead and turn some of these back on, or turn them all back on. And you see what a mess I have here. But you can also see here I've already gone ahead and run the iSetup, the i4 Tools setup right here. Once you open up your Chrome or any kind of browser, just go to i4.cn. You will need to open up your browser and go to i4.cn, and right here in the center you see there's that big download button. But I always like to go ahead up here and translate this because I really can't make heads or tails out of it. So be sure, if you don't have the translator installed, it will help you with this particular app because it is in Chinese, I think. But go ahead and just click your download button right here, and it will go ahead and install the, save it to your desktop, of course, if you want to save yourself some problems. And then just double click it, and once you double click it, it will actually install this little tool here on your desktop. And then you can just simply open it up. And you'll see right here, I'm just going to click yes. And now you see I get the little pop-up here. And my device is currently not hooked up either. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it up. And once we connect the device, we can install i4.cn. So what I'm going to do is put this on my iPhone 6. Okay, now you see we are connected, so I'm going to click yes. Down here on the bottom right side, you need to click that little button, and you see it will start the install process here. You get the little smiley sign, and you can see now it's installing the i4 tool on my actual device. And once it gets it on there, then I will put it up on the screen so you can see what it is that it looks like. Okay, so now we have everything on the device that we need. So I'm going to put the i4 on the screen here and swipe over here where we can see it. And where are you, i4? I know you're here. There you are. And I'm going to open it right inside here. And you can see right here, it's loading everything up, and I'm going to hit don't allow. And right here, it just simply will walk you through that stuff. I can't read it anyway because it's in Chinese. But the good thing is, guys, if you search these in English, it will pull them up. And I'll just give you an example here. If you type this in, and the good thing about what this is, NBA. Let's type NBA. Let's go with N2K. Okay, right there. If you don't have NBA 2K17, right here's your chance. Also, these are no revokes because these are what this is, guys. Is somebody has purchased all these, put them into one account, and made this tool where you can install this on your device. But you can actually install ringtones, wallpapers, all sorts of different things. And if you have a different kind of device you want to put this on, like an iPhone 7, an iPad, or anything like that, now is the time to do it. Okay, just go ahead and unplug it, the one that you have plugged up, and plug it back in with your new device, and click this little i4 icon right here, and it will actually use this to install much faster and much easier. And just a little tip for you also, I recommend, and that Dino 7 Australian dude was where I first got this brought to my attention. But if you install through the actual software, it's faster. So what I recommend to do is just go in here and search for any apps or anything that you may want to install, and when you find them, install them from here, because they install much faster than using the device, than downloading it on the device itself. So keep that in mind. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit that thumbs up. Be sure to share this and keep coming back.